Greetings and welcome back to my channel. This is today's free pickup. A guy at one of my favorite stores, Forrest, you know who you are, gave me this. The case is a pure base ATX 500. It's got a Gigabyte H310 M.2 2.0. Came with 16 gigabytes of 3000 megahertz XPG RAM, EVGA 500BR. Hard drive was seen by Windows and everything else, the BIOS, but it does not work. I can't get it to pop up. Cables were a little missing. Took a lot of cable management, but she is up and running. I had an SSD and put an OS on it. So right now it's got a, what is it? It's a i3-8100. And so the upgrade options for this puppy are, since this motherboard sucks and it's a real bare bones, you know, low end motherboard with, I mean, the VRMs aren't even, what few there aren't even covered. It looks like a Core i7 9700K. Basically any CPU that doesn't go past 65 watts, because this motherboard will not go past 80 watts. That's its limit, or 81 watts. So I think it was I found a i9 9900 because it's 65 watts. Yeah, that's what I wrote down here. So either a Core i7 9700F or 9700, or the i9 9900 because it's also 65 watts. So that's the upgrade options for this, and it's got the M.2's right there, and it's got one PCIe. It was missing one of the Be Quiet Pure Wings 240 in the front, so I ordered one for that so I could have that, you know, get the case back to normal. And like I said, just some cable management here and there, some cleaning. It had a, and still does have, kind of a smell to it. These cases have this stuff, this padding stuff. That's what makes it quiet, I guess. And it also absorbs smells. So I've cleaned everything but the front of the case. So when you power it up, it's got, not what I would say a bad smell, but it's a smell. Anyway, I think that's why he gave it to me. Anyway, yeah, this also has a top on it that goes in there, but I'm going to leave it off. I've got, it had one 4-pin case header up there, so I put a splitter on it, and I'm going to take this wings and I'm going to make it pull in right here, and then I've got 3 ARGB fans. I found a deal for like $12.95 for 3 4-pin ARGB, and they're going to be the exhaust. There's going to be one here and one there. So one more up here to bring in a little more fresh air. 240, two 240s. So if I do go the upgrade route, cooling will not be a problem, because this cheap motherboard, yeah, you know the story. Anyway, so yeah, great deal. That looks kind of messy. I think I'll probably undo all that and hide it down there. But yeah, the case is perfect all around. Nothing wrong with it, except for the smell. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the processor upgrade, and then put her up for sale. Should make a decent system. All right. Well, thanks for tuning in, and check in next time if I do a follow-up video on this and see it running with a different processor, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and yay for me. This is a great find, and thanks again, Forrest. I appreciate you, dude. This is fun to work on, and yeah, I need some more to do after I got the Dell done, and that was somewhat of a failure. I got to go in there and tweak the legacy, something with the legacy. It didn't like that. Either drive I threw out, it didn't like them, so I got to go back and tweak that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you get a free PC for Christmas. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.